Hey, this is Greg from GNMRC. This is what we have is my x-maxx stock motor. Did a complete tear down after our bash at the sand beach last week. And upon tearing apart this fan, we're going to upgrade to a new fan. Upgraded fan, integy fan. The reason replacing this fan is inside my fans here, there is a fan that is missing some teeth, missing fan blades. As you can see here, this fan no longer has any fan blades. They're gone, broke. Whereas this fan is still good. It's right over there, don't want it. Take the integy fan, there's the holes in the bottom. You'll want to screw your one bracket on first. Make sure your angled pins here are facing in towards the inside of the fan. Screw that bracket tight. Taking your fan, making sure you go along your flat edge. You're going to have to insert these pins. And the fins back here, about the same one as the old factory screws were in. Turn around to this side. Again, take your bracket, slide it into place. Take your screws, tighten. And you have yourself installed a new integy dual 7200 RPM fans.